Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. Who has a crush on you, and what are they feeling or thinking about you? What is their message to you? Yes, friends, this is a surprise reading. Many of you requested with a surprise, so here it is now, friends. Make sure to like, share, subscribe Magic Wens Tarot. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. And also, friends, if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. One person is selected, one subscriber is selected. So subscribe, like, share. And this is a general reading, may or may not resonate. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind, angels. And this has a surprise message for all of you. Yes, yes, and also some extra messages. So I'm excited. Who has a crush on you? All right, so let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath. Choose option number one, this beautiful red heart box. Option number two, this beautiful blue heart box. Option number three, this beautiful purple heart box. So take a deep breath, friends. Relax. Choose option one, option two, option three, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly go there and choose your options, friends. And you can also choose the entire reading or two or three piles also, because this is about crush and definitely it has something for every one of you. So yes, let's see. For those who chose option number one, those who chose this beautiful red heart box, let us see who has a crush on you. Surprise reading. Yes, friends, these are your oracle messages, and these I will be pulling shortly. So let's see who has a crush on you and what they want to tell you, what they feel about you. We're gonna look into detail. All right. Oh my god. So I feel the person who has a crush on you, they want to get along with you, they want to be friends with you. I also feel the person who has a crush on you, they could be a co-worker, a colleague, someone you worked with, or someone you studied with, or someone who is your neighbor around, where you live. They live there, so they see you often. So this person is somebody who has already known you, like as a co-worker, as a colleague, as a friend, or you studied with them in the university or colleges. Maybe you dated this person. So this person who has a crush on you wants to get back to you, I feel like, because they want to be friends with you again. That's what I see. They want to work things, perfect things with you, make things more stronger with you. Oh, Eight of Cups. So definitely the person who has a crush on you is somebody who has left you, who ghosted you, or who probably maybe you walked away from this person, or maybe they walked away from you, friends. So this person definitely has a crush on you. Even if they moved away or you moved away, they definitely want you. They still feel strongly about you, friends, and they feel very, very, very attracted towards you. I feel like, our viewers have walked away from this person, and it is like you don't see this person anymore, or this person, it's not on your mind anymore. But this person whom you moved on from, they can't forget you. They are stuck on you. They are obsessing about you. They are like, oh, mama, she is the one, he is the one. So they are stuck on you, friends. Absolutely. And I do feel they like the way you look from your back. I know this is not the adults reading, but that's what I feel. They like the way you look sexually, your face, your body, They are very attracted to you. And the world, yeah, this person, someone who has a crush on you, they live away from you, could be in a different city and a country. I also feel this person is somebody who's very stuck on you, and they want to be with you. They don't want this distance between you and them. They want to change things with you, they want to spice things up with you, they want to share their feelings with you. I also feel this person could have been married to somebody else, or they are stuck in some other situation like work, long distance, no contact, or somehow they are like they were resistant to change in the past. So they were in their comfort zone in the past. But right now, I feel they are stuck in some situation. Maybe they have another relationship or family or work issues which is affecting them, but they want to come towards you. I feel they want to share their heart, they want to bear their feelings to you. I also feel this person is very quiet person, someone who talks very less or who never shared their feelings to you. So my god friends, this person definitely want to share their feelings to you. They are really dying to share their heart for you with you. The moon, yeah, this person is damn romantic about you. They are definitely dreams about you. They see that you are a twin flame, a soulmate. You are there, this person has a lot of emotional intensity for you, and if they moved away from you, they really regret it. If they rejected you, oh my god, this person is definitely crying the moon for you, because crying buckets for you, because they feel like they did a mistake. If this person let you go, they now regret it very badly, and they are like, oh, I lost the moon for the stars, what a fool I am. So my god, this is also a very emotional connection. I do feel this person is very romantic, the one who has a crush on you. They definitely want to be, sing songs to you and take you by the moonlight, a date or something like that. Definitely a lot of passion, lot of physical attraction, emotional intensity. I also feel if you have nobody in your past, like nobody you moved on, or nobody you rejected, or somebody blocked you or something, this person is someone who is a co-worker, a colleague, or someone who lives nearby, who has you studied with, in a group of people, while a workshop, a college, or something. You studied with this person, or they know you from your neighborhood or from the same city, so they somehow see you, and that's what they want. They want to bridge this distance, they want to talk with you. But for other maximum of you, I feel this is the person you have moved away from, or they moved away from you, and they could be in no contact right now, or in a different relationship, or married to somebody else. So they are stuck because they want to be with you now, and they are stuck. Page of Rods. So this person still is burning hot for you, friends. Yes. uh, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person it can be. You could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, friends. This person has a lot of passion for you, a lot of physical attraction for you, and they want to take charge of the situation. They want to come and tell you how much they love you, how much they care for you. They definitely have deep feelings and deep attraction towards you. Definitely perfect card for the crush reading. And don't forget, there is a surprise. Yes, I will not tell you because it's a surprise, so you will have to watch the full readings to know the surprise. All right, Ten of Swords. Yes, friends, this person is really hurt. They are in pain. If this person rejected you, friends, they are definitely in pain, they are suffering. I also feel if this person chose somebody else, some other person, relationship, or money, or their ego, oh my god, friends, they are still bleeding. They are still bleeding. They are crying for you, friends. They know they still. You are their crush. You are everything for them. And I think it is only after time, when you moved away, this person realized it, and it was like, what happened? What happened? I also feel like this person wants to talk to you, but they are stuck. They are burdened with other things in life. They have a lot of burdens. They have a lot of ego issues, or I feel stuck energy, like lot of issues, lot of problems. Maybe this world's a lot of burdens right now. That is why they are not able to come towards you and tell you how they feel. Ace of Rods. But definitely this person wants to have a passionate connection with you. They want to have a restart with you. They want things to be new, to be better, and definitely they want to get This is a lovey lusty connection. They definitely love the way you look. They want to compliment your body, your looks, and tell you how they feel about you. They have a lot of passion for you, friends, and they want to express that passion for you. And the Ace of Pentacles, wow, this person not only feels passionate, friends, they also want to have a new start with you. If they are single, they definitely want to offer you commitment, a solid gift, like something that will help you to forgive them or help you to start again in this connection. I also feel they want apology. They want your blessings or apology or love. I think you hate this person, some of you hate this person, or somebody like them. You just kind of maybe this person appeared as a player, like they are into casual things. They move from one, they are impulsive, they might have appeared like they are very casual about you, or they are a player. So they want to change that, definitely want to change that. I do feel they regret it if they behaved in that manner with you, like they were a player, they were a flirt. They really regret it, and I do think you might have blocked this person. You might have, like, move out, move away, stay away from me. But I do feel this person genuinely has strong feelings for you, and yes, they have a passion for you, but at the same time they also want to commit to you and ground this connection, make it stable, make it a long term connection. So they do have good feelings. And Five of Swords, yeah, this person is watching and stalking your social media, even if they are away from you, even if you have blocked them. So definitely they are keeping an eye on you through your common friends, fake accounts. And I do feel this person had a tough childhood, a tough past. Maybe this person was married in the past, or they had too many strings of relationships, or they behave in a shadowy kind of a way. So it is like, what is this? Some people have that, they act very mysterious just to attract people. So you may have felt like, oh, this person is a charmer, they are just acting, they are a flirt, they are just acting up, they can't be trusted. So you may have developed some trust issues with this person, but I feel it's just that this person who has a crush on you, they actually are a trustworthy person. It's just that they are insecure and they just can't let it know, just can't express it. They have been rejected, or they just like to win a lot. So there are some certain things, certain truths they want to tell you, they want to express it, and I think they are a little insecure person, like somebody who is a little insecure. So definitely they want to confess those things to you, things which they have not said in the past. Definitely they want to confess that. And this is somebody, from your past, or you blocked them, like, oh, this is not a good person. Or they blocked you, they moved away, but they are still stalking. Yes, definitely a lot of stalking. I feel you may have had a fight also with this person, like arguments, like you were very emotional and you felt like they were just playing, but I don't think so they were playing. It's just that this person has some issues when it comes to talking, expressing, communications, and insecurities. Like, they want to hide rather than come out and express. But in general, they are very confident. But when it's, they have a split personality. Sorry to say that. Your crush is a complex person. Okay, you chose the red, of course. Red is a very deep color, very intense, very strong, very passionate, and at the same time, very attractive. The color of Mars, they may have Mars in Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I think this person is popular, or they are very attractive, or you guys are popular, or you are very attractive. So this person was like, oh my god, I'm going to lose this person. So what am I gonna do? Insecurities. This is an insecure person, friends. So no wonder they appeared like very mysterious, overconfident. So, how they feel about you, your crush, how they feel about you, and what they want to say to you. Let's see that. Growth. I want to expand my consciousness and my awareness. Ooh, interesting. So, see, this person is not as much of a jerk as they behave or they pretend like, oh, I'm just an oopsie doopsie kind of a person. No, they are pretty smart. And I do feel they want to growth in this connection, expansion. They want to grow. They are definitely telling you that they are a changed person. They are not like the person they used to be in the past. They are working on themselves. They are trying to make themselves better. If they broke your trust, they are sorry, and they want to expand their consciousness and awareness and definitely make this connection grow. Relationships, I am attracted to those people who serve my higher good. So definitely I do feel this person actually was not in the right frame of mind in the past. When they met you, they were not looking for deep commitment, or they just disappointed you in some way, but now they realize that how deep this connection is, and they really value. I'm attracted to those people who serve my higher good. So they now realize you are the good for them, you are gold for them. They want a relationship, not just fun with you. They want a relationship. So what they want to say to you: serendipity, number 18. I do feel they are really, they know that luck or destiny is gonna bring you both together when it's the right time. Definitely they do. They definitely feel strongly about this connection, and they feel like you guys, one fine day your paths are going to cross, and they are going to make a move towards you and just win you again. So yeah, number 10, unfinished symphony. It isn't over yet. Absolutely, it is not over yet. They are still fighting this connection. I see music is an important part of this connection. They might be posting some music or some songs or quotes on their social media indirectly for you. So that is also a sign. I also feel someone's fake accounts might be messaging you some quotes or messages. That also is a sign that this person is trying to indirectly message you, or some random signs like 111, or some songs are haunting you or keep chasing you. A song keeps playing again and again. So those are a sign that this person is actually there for you. They like you, and it's not over yet. So let's see some advice, then some extra messages, and then the surprise. Let's see some advice for you, friends. Navigating by the stars, follow your bliss. So yeah, I do feel for some of you, if you may have actually some of you are ready to move on from this person towards a new relationship. That's also okay. If you want to move on from them, or you are looking for a new romance or a new person, that's perfectly fine. But for some of you, this is about divine timing. Things will get better when you follow your own heart, your own happiness. When you just remain happy, things will definitely fall in place in this connection at the right time, and you have nothing to worry about. This is a destined connection, so things will get better with time, and when it is the divine timing. So it's keep enjoying yourself. Don't restrict, or don't stay negative. Okay, let's see. I do see the cards which I was exactly telling you about, and I shuffle live in front of you. So let's see. All right. I don't know why the cards keep moving. Maybe this person is really passionate, and they are quick to talk to you. Owl, good advice from a wise person. So yeah, I do feel this person could be having tarot readings, or sending you messages indirectly. Also, they definitely are taking an advice, doing the right things for you in the future. Yes, so they will. If they were a fool in the past, don't worry, they are wiser now. Oh, reconciliation. So definitely this is from somebody from the past coming back again for you. Muse, someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change. Yeah, this person was definitely uh, they didn't they were stubborn. I told you, they were stubborn, egoistic in the past. They were a little impulsive, Lily, spiritual love. Yeah, this person could be your twin flame or someone you feel very strongly about. This is a spiritual connection. Tulip, great passion. Yes, there is a lot of passion in this connection. I told you they are very, very passionate about you, and I feel you are also very passionate about them. Deep personal strength and peace that assure success. So, yes, you have come, this connection is very strong. There is depth and there is high and low in this connection. Unicorn, use your intuition to make beneficial changes. I feel this is a very telepathic connection. They are sending you signs. You talk through signs, music. April, wow. So I'm doing this reading in April. So April is important. Maybe April month is important. Maybe you're born in April. This person is born in April. And, ooh, oh my god. The ring. A marriage will take place, either romantic or business. So definitely, I told you, if they are not married, they want to commit to you. Even if they are married, they still want to, respect you in some way. And definitely, they want to be with you. Oh my god, so let's now see the surprise frenzy. Yes, are you ready? Let's see some surprise messages from your crush. What they want to tell you. So let's see. You are the most beautiful person. I was a fool. I was a jerk in the past. Can you please now take me back? Oh my god, this is so sweet. You are the most beautiful person ever. So, I was a fool, I was a jerk in the past. Can you please now take me back? So, this is amazing, friends. This is amazing. And I hope you enjoyed this reading. That's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, if you chose option number 2, this beautiful blue love heart, let us see who has a crush on you, what is their feeling, what's their message for you, and a surprise, friends. Yes, there is a surprise. So let's see. And I'll also be pulling extra messages from these cards. This is who has a crush on you, how they feel, and what they want to say to you. Let's see. Pile number 2. I'm super excited. Are you? Let's see. Who has a crush on you? Oh, wow. I see somebody is waiting and watching you from far. I feel this person is somebody you definitely work with, or they know you somehow, they watch you when you are at work or from your home, or they are a colleague or somebody in social media. Definitely this feels like someone who is already there around you. They are watching you every day, and they are like, yes, they are keeping an eye on you, and they are like, wow. They definitely keep watching you, I feel, and they want to tell you, but they are like, I don't know, they are hiding their emotions in some way. But I feel this person knows you. This is someone you work with or someone you studied with. I also feel this is someone whom like, they can see you, they can watch you every day or often, like your neighbor, somebody you meet in an office building or where you live. Definitely. Let's see who has a crush on you. Wow, this person could be somebody you are friends with. Definitely someone who is friend zoned or who is already in your friends, friend circle. This person can also be somebody who is a friend's friend. Your lover's friend or your friend's friend, your cousin's friend. This person is someone you have not thought about as a lover or as a romantic person. This could be your best friend or somebody you have literally friend zoned, and you are like, I don't know. I think you have not even, you don't see this person in that way. And maybe you don't even see this person at all. They are like, oh, I'm insignificant for you, our viewers. This crush is like, hey, baby, look at me. Please, I'm here. But like, you guys are just happy with your friends. I do see maybe this person was at a recent party. Maybe you went with a birthday celebration or an office party, or they met you, in somewhere in school or colleges, or you went for some other group. Maybe you went for a marriage or some wedding event or something. They saw you there and they had a crush on you instantly. So They love you, they have feelings for you, but you don't know this person, you don't even see them as this way. This is a friend zone person entirely. All right, let's see. Four of Wands. Yeah, definitely. This person, definitely, you could have met them at a wedding, or they definitely see a wedding with you. This person has dreamt of a wedding or getting married to you. I do feel this person could be somebody from the family also, like, your in law side, your sister's brother, cousins, sister in law's brother, somebody from the family, or someone you met at a wedding or at an event. I also feel that this person feels like you are their twin flame. They feel very attracted towards you. They have a strong passion towards you. They feel like this is like a twin flame connection for them. I do feel this person is aware of twin flame soulmate connections, and they feel you are the one. They also dream about having a marriage with you. They see that you are that person, that the one who will be the perfect for their future. I also feel this person could have been the one you almost got married to, you almost wanted to marry, or you could not marry. They put you in a third party or something. So this can be that person, you were once married with. You might have moved on, or maybe things didn't work out in that marriage, but you were once married with this person, or almost got married. But for most of you, I feel this is a friend zone person who definitely wants commitment with you. They are crushing. They dream you in a wedding dress, in a bridal wear or something. Yes, King of Swords. So this person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This person could be someone who is very polite, someone who is very strong-willed, and someone who is very intelligent. So I don't think so. This person could be your boss who has a crush on you. This person could be a teacher or somebody who's younger than you. Like, you are their boss, you are their teacher, or you are elder to this person. So they are quiet, they behave themselves because of the situation, awkwardness of the situation. But they are very intelligent and very intense. This person is like the deep, dark, handsome type. Very intense, very intelligent. And yes, two of wands. I do feel this person's this person, your crush, has a deep feeling for you, and this feeling is only growing and growing. Their emotions started as friendship, but I do feel their emotions are now growing. This attraction is growing, and they are a very stable person. This is not somebody who is fickle, or who changes their mind, or who just changes partners every day. No, this person is mature. They want a long term commitment, or they definitely, I do feel this person could be someone who proposes marriage to you, or will come as a marriage proposal to you, or they have already come as a marriage proposal to you. So they definitely like you. They are a very stable person, and I feel this person has certain they have certain ethics. Like, they are mature, they are stable, they are very mature, they have high regard and respect for relationships. It's not every day this person has a crush. Wow. So I also feel they could be a celebrity, like, this person is very committed. They committed to their goals, their dreams and ambition. Yeah, they could be a socialite. They could be a person who is a social an instagrammer, someone on the social media, very popular. So they are very stable, very focused on their work, but they still like you, they notice you, they see you, or you are a celebrity or viewer. So definitely they like you, they feel strongly, but they don't know how to approach you. The death transformation, yeah, I do feel this person is very intense about you. They are very, very deep. They are very intense. They could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio person, a very strong Scorpio energy. King of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. I feel another thing is that this person who has a crush on you could be somebody you were once married with, or you were engaged, but it didn't work out. But they still love you, they still care for you, they still miss you, and they still have very, very intense and deep, deep intense feelings for you, deep attraction. Also, I feel if this is somebody who has been friend zoned, they want to change that thing. They just want to change that. They don't want to be your friend. They want to be your lover. They want to be your date. They want to have a relationship. They are like, oh my god, why am I friend zoned? Why am I blocked? Why can't I talk? I also feel this person is a little nervous. That's a very strange thing to say, but I feel when it comes to you, they know that you have a lot of choices. Our viewers have a lot of choices, so this person is a little scared to approach you and express their crush, their feelings towards you, their affection. So they want to change that thing, they want to express their love, they want to end their nervousness and make a move towards you. I feel they are planning to make a move since a long, long time, last 2 years, 2 months, but this person is like, oh my god, I'm so scared, I don't know what to do. And I don't think so. They are usually not scared. This person is like this king or a queen. They are not usually scared. They are very powerful. They are very strong willed. But it is you who is making them nervous because they have felt so strongly for you. They go weak in their knees when they think about you. So, yeah, Two of Cups. Yeah, this person is definitely gonna ask you out on a date very, very soon in the next 2 days, 2 months, in the next 2 years, for sure. I feel they want a relationship with you, and I feel they might even ask your friends to indirectly approach you and ask for them because this person is like, they are too intense or too scared to ask you. I don't know which way. Maybe it is awkward for them to just come out. Maybe they are a boss or something, or a teacher, so they just can't come out and say, hey, would you like to go on a date with me, on a coffee with me? So they are like, what am I supposed to do? So they will ask your friends, definitely, to ask you out. Are you interested? So they definitely want a relationship with you. They do see a future, not just a marriage, not just a date. They want a marriage, a commitment with you. They are very sure about it. Magician, I do feel this person is somebody who likes to cook, who is a foodie. Also, this person is a magician. Like, they are very powerful, they are very good, they are very popular, or they are very wealthy. So this person is somebody you will not even expect who would fall for you. You getting my point? So you are just like, you have friend zoned them, or you just don't think they will fall for you. You just don't know they exist, but they do exist. So if you don't know this person, they are definitely, they haven't told you yet. You will know about them in the coming 2 days, 2 months. So keep there, keep at it, and 2 years possibly. I do feel this person is desperately trying to win you. They are trying to manifest a relationship, a marriage with you, a commitment with you, and deep, intense love with you. The Scorpio, they definitely love you. Oh my god. And there is a lot of attraction. They want to tell you, they are very intense. They want to cook for you also. I feel this person likes cooking. Making, planning a date, a surprise for you. Yes, there is a surprise in this reading. Don't go away, so wait for it. Temperance, yeah. This person wants to talk to you. They wanna, give and take with you, share with you. They wanna take you out, live with you, enjoy some good times with you, tell you, and they are very nervous in saying this, but they definitely wanna talk with you. So how do they feel about you? Your crush. Happiness, I'm aware. Wow, they feel happy about you whenever they see you. All their worries, all their focus about this person is not usually someone who will be falling in love or somebody. They are very focused, they are a workaholic or very ambitious or very successful person. So this, they feel very happy when they see you. They feel very light, very comfortable, very excited. I'm aware that being happy means that I'm on the right path. So definitely when they see you, when they think about you, they feel very happy. Or if you have friends with them, they definitely enjoy your company, and that means they really want to take things forward. They want more than just friendship. And worry, I am learning that worry doesn't change an outcome. Beautiful. I do feel this person is nervous. They are quite an intense person. Scorpio energy, they are very intense, and they are a bit nervous to come and tell you how they really feel, or to express their feelings to you, and if they were once, if they are your friend, like your best friend, they are even scared to lose the friendship with you. What will you say? What will people say? So there is an awkwardness in this situation that they are scared of. So don't worry, I do feel this is they are a very strong person. So let's see what they want to do in this connection next. Fork in the road, number 13. So I do feel this person is definitely going to make a decision about you, and they are definitely going to make a move towards you, definitely approach you, probably through a friend or a common friend. They definitely want to talk with you, take things forward, decide. They just can't be away from you and just keep watching you from far. What else will they do? Go the distance, number 47. Definitely, friends. This person is going to win you no matter what it takes. I know they definitely know the competition is tough in this connection, but they are sure about winning you, about taking this connection to the long run, to the future. Let's see what is the advice for you for this connection, some extra messages, and then the surprise. Unknown territory, you are exactly where you need to be. So yeah, I do feel like you are feeling a bit frustrated, friends, with your life. You are like, you don't know what's happening, or you, when this person approaches you, you are like, I don't know if this is the one. Why are, this is the last person on your mind, your crush, but the thing is, this is where you need to be. This is where you need to be. You are exactly where you need to be. If you don't know this person yet, because I do feel like some of you have not met this person, or don't know if they are in your social circle now. Like they are there, but you don't know this person's feelings. You don't know. I think you will know in the next 2 days, next 2 months, or next 2 years. So keep, you will feel like you are in a foreign place, a foreign country, or among new people when this person will be around. You are exactly where you need to be, so don't worry. If nothing makes sense, then you can count on them. What's their crush? What's their crush? What will happen with their crush? And oh my god, let's take, just shuffle them a bit, because they just fell off. Okay, let's take them all. Let's see. Lots of messages, pile number 2. So when you are feeling like you are in an unknown place, unknown people, or maybe a new job, or you are shifting, or you feel like lost, that's exactly, if you are feeling lost right now, this person is coming very quickly. Peacock, be aware of great pride. So yeah, I think like this person is very very prideful, or they are very popular, so that's why they are not making a move towards you, or you both are celebrities in some way, so there is an awkwardness. February, yeah, maybe this person will meet you in next February, or in this February they have already met you. I also feel they could be February born. Scissors, disappointment in some affair. Yeah, I think they might have tried to approach you, but you were like friend zoned. Friend zoned them March. So February and March is important. Maybe they are born in February or March. Tent, temporary situation. So yeah, if you are feeling lost right now, don't worry, this is only temporary. Things gonna get exciting. Heartache over what you no longer have. Yes, I do feel maybe this person is recovering from a heartache, or you are, so they are just waiting for it. September, so February, March and September are important. And success, yes, this will be a very successful connection. Lobster, financial pinch. Yeah, if you're maybe you will meet them when you are having some financial difficulties. Unknown territory. Target, a goal oriented person. I told you, I'm surprised they are even having a crush on you, because this person is workaholic, very career oriented, ambitious, parrot. Someone will gossip about you. I do feel you have common friends talking about this connection. Wine, seek out information that will help you. Yeah, I do feel they are trying to seek out. Your crush is trying to seek out information about you. Scales, keep your life in balance. So I do feel this person you will end up marrying, or they definitely want to marry you. Also, they could be a lawyer, a doctor, a judge. So let's see your surprise now. Are you ready, friends? Let's see. A surprise message from your lovey-dovey crush. Let's see. I have been wanting to tell you, you are one in a million. Oh my god. And I'm so proud to know you. I hope to be your lover once and forever. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I have been wanting to tell you, you are one in a million, viewers. Friends, you are one in a million. That's what they are telling you. I am so proud to know you, and I hope to be your lover once and forever. So that's it for now, friends. This was your amazing reading. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Wens Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. So, friends, for those who chose option number 3, let's see who has a crush on you. And a surprise message also. We have some surprise here for you in this reading, some extra messages from here. Who has a crush on you and what they feel about you and what their next actions and some advice. Here these are. Let's see, friends. Pile number 3, who has a crush on you? I'm super excited. I think I also have a crush on you because you chose this beautiful purple, purple, purple. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, I feel the person who has a crush on you is somebody who broke your heart. They broke your heart, or you broke their heart. I definitely feel they have broken your heart. They hurted you, caused you pain. That person definitely has a crush on you. They definitely miss you. They want you back. They might have put you in a third party, or they were just, I don't know what happened, but this person really likes you. Someone who hurted you, someone who broke your heart. They really, really like you. They are still crushing on you. And I definitely feel this person might have, put you in a third party or something like that, but they still feel a lot of affection for you. 5 of Wands. Yeah, this person, the person who has a crush on you, definitely had a lot of fights with you, or in the past, it is somebody you could not get along well with, or there was some competition, like you had to fight for their attention. The person who was put, they were, or I don't know how to say this. Okay, a lot of messages are coming actually. So, your crush was somebody who was running after something else, money, career, another relationship, and you might always have to fight for them, for their love, for their affection. But maybe you worked out, I don't know, maybe you are in no contact right now with them, but now they are definitely majorly crushing on you. They have strong feelings for you, friends, now, because once this you have moved out from the competition, you moved away from them, or things moved on, this person definitely is heartbroken over you. They miss you, they want to fight for you now. They definitely is somebody who lost you, who broke your heart, or who never fought for you. Oh wow. The person who has a crush on you definitely sees you like you are doing very well in your life. You are glowing. This person sees your pictures. They see that you are doing very well. I think your life has changed since you dated, or since you have known this person. Uh, there has been a time gap, and your life has improved in many ways, or that is how this person sees that you are doing very well. You are glowing, you are looking very happy, and you are choosing yourself, you are putting yourself first, and this person is like, oh my god, now I want them, now I want you, now I want you, now I want you. It is like when you when you can't have a thing, you really want to have that thing. If you remember, when you are a kid and you can't have a toy or a candy, extra sweet, extra treat, extra candy, extra ice cream. We always want that thing. When we'll have an extra ice cream, when. So that's exactly, now they can't have you, and now they want you, and they are just like, oh my god, they are crying for you. Oh wow. I also feel this person could be a businessman or someone very wealthy, someone very rich. They are crushing on you. I feel like this person and you don't get along well. Competition, fights, arguments, but they definitely like that you are so independent, you are so strong, you are so bold. They like that fact about you. And let's see. Wow, I feel there are a lot of people who has a crush on you actually. Pile number 3. You guys are amazing. You guys are looking good. You guys are proud. You are intelligent. You are popular. You are rich. I don't know whatever you are doing. A lot of people are attracting towards you. 7 of Swords. I do feel there is another person who likes you. someone who never told you. This person is somebody, I feel like someone from your office or work, somebody from your work, maybe somebody from, if you are living somewhere, in a group, in somebody in the group who was like, talking always behind your back, but they kind of like you. I feel like there is somebody who kind of gossips about you at your work. I feel this person could be a same sex person for some of you, but they have a major crush on you, friends, because they see you are doing so well, and they look, I think there is a person at your office or at your college who talks about you, and about the way you dress up, or about your looks, your makeup, or whatever, your skills, your gifts, the way you talk. You know why? Because they love you, and they just don't know. They keep gossiping, they keep talking about you, but I think they are in awe, they are in love with you. It could be like, if you are a girl, this person is also a girl, or if you are a man, this person is also a man, but they kind of like, they admire you, they like the way you are, but they constantly say it like, as they see you as a competition, that, ooh, but I see they like you. Sometimes there is a competition, but this person is attracted towards you. So this is also a same sex attraction here. Eight of Swords. Yeah, I feel like this person is very scared to tell you. Your crush is very scared. And if they broke your heart in the past, or broke your trust in the past, this person is like very stuck. They just can't. If I do feel like somebody else came in the relationship, family, culture, religion, timing, third party, but now they are like, they don't know how to win you back. Their hands are tied, but they want you. They see you, and they are like, what did I do? What did I do? They want you, definitely. Also, I feel like whoever has a crush on you, they feel very stuck. I think people, pile number 3, you guys have a very intense, and you have a very sweet aura. You attract a lot of people, and people just glue on you, they become glue, stuck on you. So it's like you are a flower, fire attracting a moth. So a lot of people just get stuck on you. They get sit in their minds, in their hearts, and they don't know why this is happening, but that's how you are. Amazing, beautiful. Pile number 3, Wheel of Fortune. So definitely, I do see that somebody who is living away from you in another city and country, and they want a restart or a reunion with you. That's the person having a crush on you. Also, it may have been a right person at the wrong time, kind of a thing. That person is crushing on you. Like, there was a right person, but you things didn't go well. Like, they were busy, you were busy, so you kind of moved away, both of you. But they want another chance, a second chance with you, and second time lucky. They want to tell you that this time they will not make the same mistakes, and they want to take you on an adventure. I feel this person likes adventure. They like biking, trekking, hiking, sports and gymming, fast actions. They may be adventurous in their life, and that's what they like about you also. The Star, yes, friends, definitely. A lot of people have a crush on you, friends. They see you as a star, a celebrity, or they see you as very, very special. They also like your beauty, they like your gifts, they like what you have. Maybe you have a beautiful voice, or you are a writer. I don't know, whatever you do, people are attracted towards you. And I feel like even people of your own sex, are attracted towards you. So, woohoo, well done. Also, people notice that you are very giving, you are very kind, you have a very, independent as well as a motherly, caring, not motherly, a very caring heart. So people like that. You are also very creative. So somebody very creative also likes you. Maybe you are an artist, so an artist, a rock star, a musician, a writer, a poet, or someone in your friend circle who is this kind of a person, a writer, actor, musician, creative person, they like you. They have a crush on you. King of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, definitely they have a crush on you. I do feel 2, 3 people have a crush on you. One is this past person who broke your heart. Another person is somebody you work with or someone you study with, someone from your same sex. Could be someone who talks about you, like gossips about you, but actually they like you, they admire you. Queen of Rods, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, yeah, they definitely like you. I feel this person, is somebody like a friend, or like you work with a colleague, someone who sees you on social media, they like you. So yeah, that's also there. And Page of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. So Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sag, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I do see people on your social media also like you and have a crush on you. Somebody younger, someone very young and younger than you possibly, and someone you met on social media, or they follow you there and they like you and they want to talk to you there, but they are nervous, they are a little scared. So a lot of people have a crush on you, friends. Your guys are amazing. People see your creativity. They like, even if you are doing nothing, they like the way you look. It's something in your aura that attracts them. So let's see how your crush feels about you, towards you, how they feel towards you. Forgiveness. Yeah, there is somebody from the past who wants your forgiveness. If they put you in third party, or if they didn't fought for you, if they kept you waiting, they want your forgiveness. I acknowledge that harboring resentment blocks the flow of love. So definitely they want your forgiveness, they want your love, they want your affection, they want not, I think maybe you hate somebody, friends. You hate somebody, like you don't want to see their face again because they never behaved well with you. So this person wants your forgiveness and they have a major, major, major crush on you. Humor, I choose to focus on the lighter side of life. So yeah, I do feel someone who is very happy go lucky, or someone who is younger, a artist, a creative person who always likes or wants to make you smile, who is a friend, or who kind of likes you, they like the way you are, and they want to make this thing interesting, humorous. They want to have a conversation with you, they like you. So let's see, what actions will your crush take towards you? Regeneration, number 46. So someone definitely wants to get things spicy and steamy again with you. They want their relationship back. They want to steam up this thing. It could be your twin flame. It could be this, this crush is your twin flame, or definitely they want it back. They want things back. They want a reunion, a restart. Peace, number 23. So definitely they want peace in this relationship. They want happiness. They want some proposals from you. They want to give you a rose. I also feel they want to give you a heart, and the egg is like, potential. They see the potential in this connection and they have a lot to say. Your crush wants to say something to you that will bring peace in this connection, peace to your heart, and end of fighting. So let's see some advice for you, then some extra cards, and then the surprise. Breaking the trail, a breakthrough is at hand. So definitely a breakthrough is coming in your love life, in your situation, friends. Definitely, if you feel confused right now, don't worry. A breakthrough is coming for you. Let's see. Roaster, an arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. Yeah, I do see that there is a person who is talking about you or gossiping about you at your work, your boss, your colleague. It could be someone from the same sex, like it's a man or it's a woman if you are a woman, but they keep talking about you, but they like you. That's the problem. They don't see that. They don't understand. They like you. They have a crush on you. Affairs with your family, yeah. Someone wants a family with you, or maybe this person who wanted marriage with you, or your crush, or you both may have been married once. Ram, a stubborn, aggressive person, could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. Queen of Wands. Wind chime, peace and harmony. So good times, peace is coming. That's what your person wants, peace. Kite, a vacation. So you might meet this person or your crush on a vacation, or you might go on a trip with them. May, the month of May is important. pin a new job or a career. So definitely you guys might meet your crush, or things might get steamy when you both have a new career, a better job, a younger man, dealings or relationships with a younger man. I told you there is a person younger who is in love with you, remember? You need to defend yourself. Yeah, competition. A lot of people want you. It's up to you who you will choose, friends. Stuff you will be taken care of in a difficult situation. Wheel, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. If you are feeling like, nah, nothing exciting is happening in life, don't worry, things will get steamy in May. Wall, a misunderstanding. Yeah, so you had a misunderstanding with somebody. They still love you. They want a forgiveness. They want you back. Too much concerns with sexual matters. Oh my god, someone is definitely major crushing on you, friends. Target, a goal oriented person. Yeah, people see that you are very successful, friends. There is a glow on your face, and that's what is attracting people. Purse, pay attention to your finances. I do feel maybe this person who left you was having financial issues. They were busy in work, so they ignored you at that time, so they regret it now. Arcway, new possibilities, opportunities, and paths are opening up. So, definitely something brand new is gonna happen for our viewers in this crush relationship or in your love life. So, let's see the surprise for you now. So, let's see the surprise. Ooh, let's see. All right. You are the sun to my darkness. You are the song to my music. I am yours and I can't live without you. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, friends. You are the sun to my darkness. You are the song to my music. I am yours and I can't live without you. So that's a message from your crush, and that's it for now. Let me know if you enjoyed this reading and the surprise. Subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.